I love using two apps at the same time on my iPad. Let's say I want some reference images for these dogs over here. I can pull up a Google Images search over on the side while I still work inside of here. So what I'd do is I'd swipe up here at the bottom of the screen, and in this screen, this is my dock for my iPad. And I've got my internet and I've got Pinterest. I use these two quite a lot. So if I pull this over to the side, so I just grabbed hold of it, I held it with my finger until I kind of picked up, and then I'm going to drag it to the side here. And now I have two different apps open at the same time. So if I pull this little bar here, I can make this screen bigger or this screen smaller. And if I want this one to go all the way away, I just grab that little gray bar and swipe it away. Now, if I pull up Pinterest, I want to show you another way of bringing two screens on at the same time. If I just drop it right here, see this Procreate screen hasn't gone gray. It's now its own little app. So I can pull it over here, I can put it over here, I can put it wherever I want, but it is going to block those tools that I have up here. So I generally prefer to have it as two separate screens rather than one screen on top of each other. But I can just hold this over to the side and snap it together like there. And now I've got all these cute little doggy references. And then I can come in here and I can draw a cute little doggy while I'm in Google search as well.